So I had some scraps left over after making a mini album using the Curiouser and Curiouser collection from Graphic 45. The mini album is listed on my site, but what do you do with all those scraps? Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and what I did with these scraps is make these post-bound mini albums. When I say post-bound, what it is in the top corner of these mini albums is people would call it a Chicago screw. It's a post with a little screw that goes in on one side to close it. So basically it goes through here and comes out there and connects. Now, when you're making something like this, you have to sort of think in reverse because the pages will rotate. Here, let me move these out of the way so I can show you. So the pages will rotate, and so what was at the bottom here is now at the top. So let me show you how it works. So here is where the screw is. Now some of them are noticeable and some are not. I'll show you the other ones, but I wanted to show you so you could see what it looks like. So these are 4x6 cards. So you could put a 4x6 photo on them, but of course this one has a belly band, so you would cut down the photo and put it in there. This has a butterfly just tucked at the top, so you can put your photo there. I did put one of the journaling cards there in the meantime. I just left that paper blank. I'd put a small photo on there just so you could see some of the gorgeous paper. This one has a belly band with another journaling card. This sticker is open, so you could put a photo or a journaling card there. Here is just a cut apart. Now you could use this by putting a photo right on the top there. I know it would be sad to lose that, but we've got that image here. Or leave it that way. Here's a chipboard element that's just glued at the top, so that's a tuck spot. This one has 3 stickers on a strip of paper with a side-loading pocket, so you could add your photo into there or leave the journaling card. Tweedledum and Tweedledee make a great spot to put a photo. They're open at the top. And then here's just more of the paper. I would just add a photo to that. Let me show you what it looks like from this side though. So we have a cut apart. We've got another tuck spot. I'll turn it this way. Here is a pocket. This is open at the top to make it a tuck spot. Here is a sticker. This just has a border from the sticker sheet. Here's another belly band, so you could put your photos on there. And another tuck spot. And another pocket. So it all goes into a little two-sided box. So this is layered. You see the different layers. There's fabric down here. There's a chipboard frame. There's a cut apart. She is fussy cut, so she's on a different layer. There's this chipboard piece. There's the side, the bottom, and then that's what the top looks like. So there is one. Now the other ones so they all have different things inside. Some are the same, some are different. 3 of them have the little handle on the side. And so this one, you can barely see the little screw because it's tucked underneath that fabric. So I just wanted to show you those. I was able to use all the cut aparts, all of the chipboard frames that I had left, all the tag. I just was able to use everything to make these post-bound mini albums. Now, I do have a tutorial on how I made these. I was originally inspired by an Instagram post I had seen by a G45 ambassador, Tatty Scraps, and I made my own using the Beach is Calling collection and made a tutorial on that. So that'll be linked in the description box. So I just wanted to show you that real quick, and I'm proud to say that I have used all of the scraps from the Curiouser and Curiouser collection. Don't forget to look in the description box. There's a couple of links to check out. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.